Adding a debit card to your Barclays account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the task successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Barclays website or open the Barclays mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management or Manage Cards section in the menu. This is where you can add or manage your debit cards. Step 3. Select Add New Card. In the Card Management section, find the option to Add New Card. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your debit card. Step 4. Enter card details. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save or Submit to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been successfully added. Now you can easily use your debit card with your Barclays account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Barclays customer support for assistance.